All right, everybody, we got another bikers video that we're going to be talking about and working through. Let's go ahead and see this. Suburban Delinquent. I haven't seen you in a while, buddy. All right, having a ton of fun over there. Oh, that's a risk you got to take. Make sure you guys have a rescue pack while you're out there, just in case. Ooh, face impact. That's where you wear a full face helmet. His jaw would have been split open like the Predator. Boom. He's got a headache. He's gonna have a headache. That is why you wear a full face helmet. Kill switch ZA, here we go. Moving through here, watch out. We have uncommon thing. The guy's swerving out of the way for no reason. If you miss your turn, go to the next one. You're gonna kill somebody. Go to the next one. Guys, don't do this yourself. Don't do this yourself. There we go, white belt 400. Slow it down. Oh no, a lot of gravel on the road. You see the gravel right there? Possibly panicked because the vehicle is coming at us. Make sure we're paying attention. Right, Keith Gillis, welcome to the crew, baby. Okay, are we riding to ride, or are we riding because the people are... Oh! Rescue, airbag deployed.
Dude.
Remain calm. Remain calm. Remain calm. Ensure your own safety. I know it's hard to remain calm. You're doing good, man. You're doing good. Here we go. Orange stage. Automatic orange stage. We're going through here. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Oh, a little impact. Thankfully, he's got full gear. Thankfully, he's got full gear. Because that impact even on the ground would hurt a lot. Here we go. Having a little bit of fun. A little whoops. A little whoops. Oh, we saw a little dust up right there. What's that dust up? Oh, easily take out his knees and his shins.
You good?
You saw that dust up? See out on the right? That's going to let you know the little uncommon thing, like what's going on here. So he's going to go ahead and lay her down and take him out. Hopefully he jumped up so he didn't get hit.
You okay? Yeah, no, I'm good. What's wrong? I jumped off. Okay, you good? Yeah, no, cause I slid in. I know.
Oof.
Yeah.
Get out of the way. You're going to have another person do that. Rembo, once again, here we go. Let's go ahead and see. Merging issue, not a big deal. Definitely was an orange stage. He saw that uncommon thing. He's like, that's something I don't like. I'm going to move out of the way, and did a great job. That guy's a smart rider. This guy's a smart rider. Extremely smart rider. See? Another uncommon thing in a common situation. What is that? What's going on? Perceived a possible threat. Did a good job planning, and we just adapted to it. Here we go. Oh, tuna. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, you got some traffic. Watch out. Anybody want to merge? Yep. What was the pattern? Write it in the comments right now. What was the pattern that we need to be watching out for? Wide open lane. Exactly. Big open lane, stacked cars, they want to merge over. Exactly, Adam Wood. They were in a slow lane, and then his lane was wide open, so they moved over. That's what you would do. That's what they would do, too. Frank's a lot, whatever. Anyways, another Prius kind of messing things up. So you see how he started to fall down before hitting the vehicle? That was a panic brake. But look at the road. Look at everything. So he could have had loss of traction even with that kind of braking. But this is a pretty good bike. Maybe has ABS. So make sure you do good progressive braking. Good progressive braking. Very, very important, even on a road like this. So react sooner. React sooner. Remember, our total stopping distance is based off of perception. So we have to look. Reaction. We have to be able to react in time. Going this fast when it's wet is not good. I'm not invisible. Here we go. We're going through this area. Definitely orange stage. Paying attention. This person, you're constantly looking because of that dum-dum. So he was looking and paying attention. He did a good job planning. He located that hazard and just kind of adapted to it. Did a great job. Hey, look, one sec, real quick. The sun is in our eyes looking that way. Where were they originally? Possibly didn't see us. The sun is over there. The sun is over there shining right in their eyes. Could have just been blinded. And we're in the blind spot. Nils, here we go. Watch out for the animals and the tractor, but we went a little too far. Okay, if you have time to say, oh, whatever, you have time to brake. You have time to brake. It looks like he's got full gear on, so it's pretty good. There we go. Cody, here we go. Can't see. Now we can see blind corner. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. You don't know what's around the corner. Just cyclists. Did a good job, though. Did a good job. Here we go. Going through here. Beer grills. Intersection, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle. Calm down. Good job with the progressive braking. Good job with the progressive braking. Saw it ahead of time. He was in orange stage, prepped and ready for this, looking where he needs to go. We learned this here at the Smart Rider Basic Training e-course. Only $4.99. You're going to get a full 3-hour plus course. Can't go wrong with it. Can't go wrong with it. Check it out. This person's a smart rider.
Like, check my stuff because I know.
What?
I think this guy maybe wants to leave.
When we do. Oh.
Oh, no. Newbie mistake. Not a big deal.
Like,
Careful with your ankles. Hopefully. There you go. She's lifting it up the right way. And you got some help.
Good.
Crash bars. Protect the bike.
You're getting your money out of those crash bars.
Yep. And you can have fun with it. Play around.
too hot.
A little too hot.
The handlebars were turned, and then we applied the brakes and fell over. We talk about that in basic operation. Unit 2. So Yigit, that's his name. Here we go. Okay, nice little power wheelie. What are we gonna do? Land it and have a little bit of speed wobbles, a little pucker factor. Ooh, you gotta check your pantalones after that one. Oh my gosh. Here we go, going right here. Showstopper. What's gonna happen here? Watch out for that vehicle coming out. Rev bombing won't do anything. Get yourself in that extra lane. That's what saved you right there. That's what's saving you right there. Finding that escape path. ABC rides. Here we go. We're going at a high rate of speed, but we're going with the flow of traffic. Got a merge issue. Good job positioning for safety. Moving over. Just moved over. Saw it happen. Moved over. So adapted it. Located and then adapted. I always remain calm and continue to focus on what's in front of me. Exactly. The threats are still in front of you. Slow it. Oh, we're on a track. I was going to say, slow it down. We're on a track. This is where you can have fun. Ooh, almost high-sided it. Almost high-sided it. Lost traction, and then it gained traction, but he stayed on. So Bobo Mostaref, for whatever their name is, we're going to go through an intersection. We have another one. Ooh. Are we going to rescue this rider? Let's rescue this rider. One sec. Let me get the kit out. Got my rescue card. Got everything inside. Help him. So the other person's panicking. It's okay. It's a panic. He seems to be fine. Take care of him medically. And she's having a panic. So you can talk her down. It's a psychosomatic thing. You can talk her down if you want to, or let her handle it herself. He's got a little blood on his face, but he had a full face helmet, so it probably just hit the front. Okay, when somebody's in that position, one sec, pause it. When somebody's having a panic like that, it's not just say, hey, calm down. We can't just be calm down. And it really comes down to getting to their level, grounding them to the situation, telling them, hey, this is where you're at. You're in the middle of the road. You're on the phone. The motorcyclist was hit. They are fine. You are fine. Let's get off on the side and give them something to do. Give them something to do. Give them something that they know what to do. Okay, right now it's a panic. They're freaking out. It's just, there's nothing they feel like they can do. So when you give that person something to do, hey, call 911. Actually, don't even do that. Just say, hey, come sit down, talk to me, breathe. Let's do 5 seconds in, 5 seconds out. 5 seconds in, 5 seconds out. Within a minute, they're calm, collected, or at least even better than they were. Because right here, physical injuries, yeah, it seems to be fine. But we're going to have some issues with her to where she's going to hyperventilate, pass out. We're going to have issues. We don't want her to do erratic things. Take care of her. She's also a patient, just like this person. If they're okay, she's not. Okay? Take care of her. Double check him, though, because he was actually the one that got hit. Don't dismiss people in a panic like that.